So good morning, traders. I punched my first order and I can buy only 175.80 due to new expiry week, and we are using the 44,000 capital, 45,000 capital, and we utilize something whatever we have to pay. So now let's see. So here we are going to see what happened. Now here we have monthly pivot, just below we have CPR, and here it is sky blue mark important zone, and just below we have 20-day moving average. So let's see what happened. Either the price go, because last day we have trending session, so might be it go in CPR zone and consolidation side, totally sideways market, or after might be we one bullish move, then pull back again and bullish move, then pull back. So maybe here we have round number back, okay, and CPR, and just above we have weekly pivot. So might be it give a breakout, and we give a bullish move till if it sustain, then it go till here previous day shooting star low, okay, or might be don't go, maybe where is my pen? It like go like this, retest and going here, and again consolidation in the CPR zone. Same as here, monthly pivot and my mark level. Moving average is also pushing candle to go down. So either it is go here in consolidation because we have last very good trending there, or might be it continue higher. At what we saw pullback, here we have like a monthly pivot, mark support and CPR. So it give push to go. Might be this 20 minute and 15-minute candles also give support. So bounce. So let's see right now. So I am in 1600 loss. So I won't take much loss today because the premium is high, and we have less quantity. So I keep posting you update. So now we have going trade in our favor. So we are going to we have around 1600 to 2000 profit. So we can't say anything till right now. Okay, so we should wait for this zone to break out. If this first candle high is give breakout and sustain above it, then we have 60% chance to success our trade. Okay, so if this go breakout is today's first candle high and previous swing, so we have, I guess, maybe immediate spike to this. So let's see how far it goes or how big we can win here. Still we have around 2000 profit. So the price is taking rejection from 2000 to break even. Same as Bank Nifty is also rejecting this weekly pivot, same level, and this moving average. I get pushing them to go down. Now this round number will have to work for this 20-day moving average on 15-day time frame in Bank Nifty. If this also gives support, so market take support there and go above. So let's see. We have good profit too. Now in loss also. So guys, the RBI policy has started, and we have good spike, but the premium is not so much increased. We have spike here, and our stop loss hit on premium. Our stop loss hit, but on index we have buffer, but the premium is melt fast, so volatility is there. And here, firstly, we have 3000 or 2500 in profit. Here again, we are coming in profit. Or one thing I do here is I add one lot here then my stop loss hit, then again I make position. Okay, so we have to take trade around 40. Premium is getting decreasing. Again, my stop loss is going to hit. So then we have to, okay, so it's going to hit us again. So technically it should go up because the trend line is breakout, and then it's again monthly pivot. It takes support and goes, but because of this event, my stop loss is hit again. Okay, so it is open. Let's see what happened down. Why it is like doing this? Mm, let's wait. Why my I guess I put stop loss wrong here. So what I think so here is 20-day moving average, and here weekly pivot and CPR. So somewhere in this zone it should bounce back. I'm making mistake. Very, very. I don't want to use those words, but the market is like now it is very important level. Previously it come from bounce here. Let's see if it is respect today or not. So guys, let's see. Again, my stop loss hit, but I again manage in the same position. Now, my two stop loss hit today, but due to this high premium and RBI policy, so again I put a 10-point stop loss here. So let's see, this time it might go up. It should go up, but the resistance and this RBI policy making the trend stop and making volatile. So I should either wait for the policy is end, but at that time maybe we don't have any, but further any good trade. So 14,000 I am in loss when this my second stop loss hit. Now 14,000 stop to, let's see, from here it is my target, but I am not waiting for this much because this is a 160 point target, and here it is show break even, but we are not here break even. So wait, just I guess in one good spike I exit. I don't wait for now because a big spike can when I we exit on market, so we have also very slippage. So again we are around half, we cover half our loss, 14,000 to 7,000. Now it again can go down or again can go up. Or see, beautiful. Yeah, how this bank nifty is move but not nifty. Yeah. I just mark here and one candle 3 minutes. It go beyond this, but the nifty is resist. Yeah. I wish nifty is also have that kind wild move. See, it never stop. But this bhaiya is not even increasing. Come on. So we are in 20 to 12, 2200 in loss still. Now might be happen like this will reverse from here because here is shooting star. So it is a resistance. So it is reverse from here and Nifty reverse from here. So again, still getting this wild move, we have to book loss. Now wait for Nifty. 3,000 loss here. I don't know. Bank Nifty have very wide premium, so I don't think I can't think trading because my capital is very small. Now it's going to hit my stop loss, I guess. Let's see. I'm ready to take my stop loss third time. So market is completely sideways here. Then if we give it one giant bullish move, then pull back again, case that level. So here is shooting star. So somewhere here it made the double top. Now might be it go reverse from here also, and if it is break out this zone and this trend line, so it will give again good bullish move till this first target, second target. If it continue to go up, but this Nifty is continuously give on bullish move, then वापस pull back. So I'm tired now. Firstly, we have good profit, but we wait. Let's see now what happens. Currently, we are in a 9,000 loss. Somewhere here, I am around 2,500 loss. So it should go up, but it resist to go up, not following these indexes. Might be like last day, it give wild move, but we don't know when it break out. So we have to uh, stay in trade. But the premium is very volatile. See here it is high and here it is low. It go like this much, but it is not even in close. I keep you posted. So again, it is like retest a low. It's go 2 3 time in our favor. First candle high it takes once and twice, but the momentum is missing. Same as यहाँ it's from hanging man, and then it give little pullback. So here it formed double top. Now it is a very deciding move here. 20 moving average if give support and this trend line. Although it is violated here, but here it is a weekly pivot and this mark level. So first time is taking support here. This time it is below this moving average, so it pushed them to go back down to this level or might go below this. But this will take also Nifty to uh, downside. Okay, so uh, we are going to lost thought trade again.
So guys, here I accept my stop loss manually, and the momentum is missing and might be one sharp fall I can expect here, like we had last day. So I exit my current position. So here my finally PNL, and I add a few fund to take again and again trade to maintain my position. So I take 3 trade today, and here are my leaderboard. We are updating here. So today I take 12 trades, and this is my profit and net profit after brokerage, and this week profit also. So see you on Monday.